lost Michelle. Oh dear. This isn't making any sense. It's like I've just gone in the Bermuda Triangle. Michelle was 10 feet behind me. I've just cycled 45 minutes back the hill. She's in a bright pink top. Where's she gone? How did she manage to cycle past me? I was minutes away from calling out search parties. Here we are. Is it open, Michelle? They don't open churches now. Lock them up. Never used to be. But this is actually where Michelle and I, where it all started. We've had a bit of a tiff this morning because, I don't know, these are roads we know well, but we got lost from each other, not on the road. Obviously we know where we are. Anyway, so I thought I'd bring you out to let you know that we're all safe and good. And what? I'm trying to make a video here. I didn't know I was going to have to do a
9 till 4, it says on a Monday. It's open. Opening time for reflection and
What time is it now?
Between 9 and 4.
Okay. So it should be open?
It says times may change.
Okay, so where does it say that? It's very pretty. Maybe it's because the guy is...
Yeah, isn't it? 9 till 4.
9 to 4 Mondays to Tuesdays. So maybe it is open.
I tried it.
No?
Couldn't. Obviously not today.
Beautiful old, that's a very heavy brass door knocker. So the gardener is cutting down the grass. You can see the grass has got very long. It's springtime now, so it's growing. I love the grass when it's this length. I was saying to Michelle, we used to have a meadow like this in a house we lived in at one time. And is your microphone on, hun?
It wasn't a full one.
It wasn't a full one. The dandelion clock is our symbol, our patron flower. Now look, a feather, a bird feather. So yeah, the gentleman is doing a good job of cutting down this very heavy grass. He's got quite a job on for himself. Yeah. I almost thought they were real poppies, but they're not, are they?
Looking for a dandelion clock.
There is one, just...
It's not a full one though, I haven't found a full one.
Yeah.
Is it full one? And the thistles.
Ready?
Ready?
It is 2 o'clock. Is that about right?
Maybe. It's more like 12.
The gardener won't be happy. We're spreading seeds. It's another one. I'm not going to pick this one, but I'll just go in here close so you can see what we're talking about. We talk about a dandelion clock.
Get back before about 2 because I think it's going to rain. You can feel the rain in the air.
Yeah, I can feel little bits of rain.
Very dinky church, this one. Very little.
It's a beautiful church, I love it. That's why we chose to get married here, because it was the prettiest church in this neighbourhood. And the Reverend Giles or Miles? Miles. I always say Giles.
You always do.
Reverend Miles. He had a lisp, didn't he?
He did.
So, let's get a little picture of Michele and I coming down the aisle. Look like a pair. You've got one leg rolled up. No, it's okay, it's okay. So we would have come down here.
We would. Bought my flowers.
Would you have been this side or that side?
And this side, I think.
Okay.
I can do one more.
Do it over there so I can get a nice wide shot of you blowing it.
Ready?
Oh yeah, it's how many times you blow it till it's empty. It's not quite empty.
Is that 5?
No, at the end you've got to go really hard.
12 o'clock.
That's right, you've got to keep blowing them until they're empty.
Straight that side.
So it's poignant today. It's been quite a sorrowful month or so. I'll just take you away, leave Michele there for a moment. We had someone pass away, and one of the reasons we've been offline for a little while is because Michele's been caring for a family member, and I eventually came to help with her. And yeah, but we're not going to talk too much about it because those times are behind us. I'm going to go behind the church while I'm here. I don't think I ever went behind the church. I've been to this church many times, as you can imagine. So I hope you've all been well. I'm going to do a clock without Michele. Look at this one. It's a beautiful one. Ooh. So the idea is you blow until all the little seed heads have come off. And however many times it takes you to blow them off is the time. Is that right? Share with me what you think. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and there's one stuck down there. 5 o'clock. Let me have a little look. I haven't got a watch with me. I don't think it's 5 o'clock. I think it's probably about 2 or 3. So yes, what a beautiful church. It's an old, traditional church. I'm not particularly going to give away the location, though some people may recognise it if you're local. You will see in the background there, we have some bicycles and some big plans. So what I'm going to do, just to get myself back into filming, I'm going to edit this, probably just a short video, and get it up and just say love to you all our family and all our friends from Michele and I, back where it all started. That's sad. She's looking now. There's a beautiful little grave there of it's a baby, young boy. And it's always sad to see a children's grave, isn't it? Anyway, it reminds you how life is very short sometimes, so live it to the full. Time for us to head back before it gets too wet. friend of ours the other day said he hates cyclists. It's like when we walked from John O'Groats to Land's End, and people hated the hikers. I never understood why it's the people that do healthy things like cycling or walking are the ones that are despised by the awful car drivers. Anyway, I won't call him out. If he ever watches this, he knows who he is. I've never been overly bothered to be behind a cyclist, just like this car behind us now. Give us some room, slow down, and we are just about to hit the big hill anyway. Probably going faster than the car in a moment. Ooh. See that car? It didn't give us a lot of space, but that was one of the I'm annoyed crew. Ooh, it's cold today. It's very cold. This is what happened, is I go down hills a lot faster than Michelle, and she drops back. I'm only guessing she must brake. So with this in mind, slight experience of wonder if what we've got planned is a good idea. I might start the video here, because I don't think I did an intro. So, intro.